Hi, welcome to the SPS Unpacked. Today we're unpacking the FreeFlow AFO and the HelixBand from Elevate Dynamics, which is an exclusive product that can only be ordered through SPS. The Elevate Dynamics FreeFlow AFO and Glide AFO are PDAC verified. The FreeFlow AFO is indicated for patients who present with drop foot with no more than mild spasticity and mild impairment of motor knee control, as well as mild flexible deformities of the foot and ankle complex. Inside the box, you will find the Elevate FreeFlow AFO, which comes in all sizes in one device, ranging from extra small to extra large, with calf heights 11.25 inch to 15 inches, and accommodates calf circumferences of 11 inches to 24 inches, which is measured from the mid-belly of the calf. We also have an instruction manual, which includes a fitting guide, size guide, and product details, which includes the intended use, clinical indications and contraindications, washing and safety instructions, product construction, and warranty information. Additionally, the parts included are the carbon fiber AFO, the calf shell with cool flow liner, calf strap with BOA fit system dial, a strut screw, polishing tool, rubber strut cover, and a 3mm hex wrench. The FreeFlow AFO product features include the carbon fiber AFO. The posterior lateral strut provides a very easy and comfortable fit inside the shoe while providing maximum dorsiflexor support. The adjustable strut can accommodate leg lengths from extra small to extra large in a single size. The calf shell and cool flow liner is comprised of a thermoplastic heat moldable glass-filled calf shell with a cool flow liner system that ensures comfort and breathability. The calf strap with BOA fit system dial allows for a very easy one-handed donning and doffing while providing easy tightening for support. The trimmable foot plate can also accommodate foot lengths from extra small to extra large in a single size, which can be trimmed to size with scissors, and a polishing tool is used to smooth out the sharp edges after trimming the foot plate. The strut screw is inserted into the strut to stabilize the accommodation of the specific leg lengths between extra small to extra large in a single size, and an Allen wrench has been provided in the box to make that adjustment. The rubber strut cover is used to cover the unused holes on the strut while creating a finished look. This is what a completed construction of a FreeFlow AFO looks like. The HelixBand can be used in combination with the FreeFlow AFO or the Glide AFO to stabilize and control varus and valgus deformities at the midfoot, hindfoot, and tibia. Inside the box, you will find HelixBand instructions for use, which includes a fitting guide, product details, clinical indications and contraindications, safety washing instructions, as well as warranty information, a cuff cover, forefoot anchor, midfoot anchor, calcaneus anchor, midfoot band with tab, calcaneus band with tab, insole attachment loop. And this is what a completed FreeFlow AFO with HelixBand looks like. Thank you for watching. For more information on the Elevate Dynamics FreeFlow AFO, Glide AFO, and HelixBand, check out the links in the video description. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe.